Hello, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. I am Swapna teacher. I welcome you to grade 1. Are you all happy coming in grade 1? Even I am happy to have you all with me. But I cannot hear you saying me hello. So, what I'm going to do for you is whenever you meet me, we are going to sing a hello song for each other. Okay? I will sing hello song for you and you will sing hello song for me. Okay? It's a very small 3 lines. Okay? It's very easy. So, whenever we see each other, we are going to start with a hello song. Yes? Let's start. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? I am fine, I am great. I am fine, I am great. I am fine, I am just great. I am very well today. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you today? I am fine, I am great. I am fine, I am great. I am fine, I am just great. I am very well today. Great. Okay, so whenever we see each other, we are going to start with a hello song. Okay, now children, I am going to teach you EVS. Can you see this? This is your EVS textbook. This is the cover of your book. Can you see? See? Yes? Okay, so I am going to take EVS lesson number 1. You know what is the name of a lesson number 1? It is early humans. EVS lesson number 1 is early humans. Do you know who are early humans? You don't know, right? It's okay. I am there to tell you who are early humans. Don't worry. If you don't know, it's okay. But before I tell you who were early humans, you have to answer my few questions. Are you ready? It's very easy, not to worry. If you don't know, it's okay. Teacher is always there to tell you. It's very easy question. So my first question is, where do you stay? I stay at my home. Where do you stay? I stay at my home. My second question is, what do we eat? We eat so many things. I know you will tell me so many things. Like Maggie, pav bhaji, pizza, but we are not going to talk about junk food. It is bad to eat junk food, right? You should not eat outside food. You should avoid junk food. So we are not going to talk about junk food. Okay? So tell me, what do we eat? Tell me some healthy names, okay? Bhaji, roti, yes, fruits and vegetables, very good. We eat food like fresh fruits and vegetables. Am I right? We all eat fresh fruits and vegetables? Okay, tell me, but how do you get these fresh fruits and vegetables? From where do we get? Do we go to the apple tree and cut the apple and eat? No, we go to the market, right? We go to the market, we buy some vegetables, we buy some fruits, and then mama cook that vegetable for you, right? And after bringing home, we wash that fruits and vegetables nicely first. We wash it for 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, and then we cut and we eat. So easy, right? Whenever we want fruits and vegetables, we go to the market and we bring at home and then we can eat. It's very easy, right? Okay. Now let's see what is my third question. What do we wear to cover our body? Yeah, I can already hear you. We wear clothes to cover our body. There are different type of clothes to wear. Boys will wear different clothes, girls will wear different clothes, right? But everyone use clothes to cover our body. Yes? Okay, very good children, huh? Now question number 4. What type of clothes do we wear? Here comes. We wear different clothes like shirt, pants, frock, skirt and many more things, right? Now in summer, we wear cotton clothes. In winter, we use sweater, we use woolen clothes, we use mufflers, right? And in rainy season, we use thin material clothes like synthetic. So every time we use different clothes. Every season we use different clothes. Boys wear different clothes, girls wear different clothes, right? Very nice. You know everything. Now, my next question is, how do we cook our food? How do we cook our food? Do you cook your food? No, we cannot go. We are very small and we cannot go near the gas stove, right? We should not go in the kitchen now. We are small, right? When you grow, you can cook by yourself. But now, who cooks food for you? Mummy, right? Your mama cooks food for you. But how do she do it? Have you ever seen? Okay, we cook food on the gas, on the stove. How does mama cook food? Mama cooks food on the gas, on the stove. Right? Very good. You all answered me so well. I'm so happy. Thumbs up for you all. Now, before I tell you who are early humans, we will by heart some hard words. Okay? We have to learn some hard words very well. So listen to me very carefully because in next period I am going to ask you those words. Okay? Listen to me very properly. Now my first word is warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. Now you'll ask me, teacher, what is warm? What is the meaning of warm? Okay. Now you understood. When you have a fever, right? So how does your mama check you? Is your body warm or it is cold? Yes? Correct? Okay. So then mama say, your body is warm today. You have a fever, right? Now our second word is caves. C-A-V-E-S. Caves. Teacher, what is caves? This is a cave. Who lives in a cave? Do we live in a cave? No, we live in a house. Who live in a cave? Wild animals like lion. Lion lives in the cave. No, lion lives in a den. So who lives in a cave? Bear. Yes, bear lives in a cave. So there are few wild animals in the forest who lives in the cave. Animal. Third word is animal. A N I M A L. Animal. You all know what are animals, right? There's so many type of animals: wild animals, pet animals, farm animals like dog, cat, lion, tiger, cheetah, giraffe, elephant. We can go on and on. We have learned so many animals, right? Okay. Number 4, grow. G R O W. Grow. What is the meaning of grow? See, when you plant a seed, the plant is very small first. Then it grows little, then it grow more, right? Can you see in that picture? Yes, you can see in that picture. Now, when you were born, you were so small baby, right? And now in grade 1 also, are you small? No, you grow. You grow slowly, slowly, right? Every year you grow, right? So that is the meaning of grow. Our fifth word is stones. S T O N E S. Stones. It's very easy. You all know what are stones, right? Our next word is rubbing. What is teacher doing? Teacher is rubbing her hands. So repeat. R U B B I N G. Rubbing. So I am rubbing my hands. You know, when I go to wash my hands, I rub my hands for 15 seconds. I take Dettol soap or any soap, whatever I have. I take the soap and I rub my hands for 15 minutes and I wash it. Okay? So you understood what is rubbing? Next word is wild. W I L D. Wild. What is wild? I just told you there are many type of animals. Pet animals, farm animals and wild animals. So what are wild animals? Like tiger, lion, cheetah. They all are wild animals. Next. Our next word is people. P E O P L E. People. What is the meaning of people? Let's see. Oh, there are so many people standing there, right? A crowd of many human beings, a crowd of many girls and boys. It is called a people. Okay, see, there are so many people there. Now, our next word is human. H U M A N. Human. What is human, teacher? See, we all are human beings. We all are human beings. Okay? Human means we all are human. Your mummy, daddy, uncle, auntie, friend, we all are human beings. Number 10. Hunted. H U N T E D. Hunted. What is hunted? What is hunted? Many people hunt animals, you know. In the forest, it's not allowed to hunt animals, right? That's very bad. We should not hunt anyone. We should not kill animals, right? Hunted means the man who has killed animals. It is called hunted. Okay. Our next word is 11th word, tame. T A M E. Tame. What is tame? I'll show you. To make something easy to control. Tame means to make something easy to control. Like I have tamed my pet dog very well. Means that pet dog is in my control. I can guide him very well. I can make him do whatever I want, right? Here the man has tamed the horse very well. The horse is and the control of the man. Understood what is tame? Very good. Our next word is 12th word, that is cooking. Should I explain what is cooking? No, you already know what is cooking. Your mama does it every day. So repeat. C O O K I N G. Cooking. C O O K I N G. Cooking. Our next word is 13th word, sticks. S T I C K S. Sticks. What is sticks? There are so many types of sticks, right? You know ice cream sticks, you know matchsticks, right? Okay. Our next word, 14th word is leaves. L E A V E S. Leaves. Our next word is leaves. What is leaves? You all know very well. There are so many leaves in a tree, right? Our last word, 15th word is crops. C R O P S. Crops. Now what are crops? The plants which are grown for food. Like these crops, then we cut it and then we get wheat, we get rice, we get maize. This all are crops. Okay, so next time when we meet, I am going to ask you all those hard words. Will you be able to do it? I'm sure you can do all those hard words very well. Now in the next class, we will repeat those hard words again, because those are very important. You know why these hard words are so important? These hard words are important because whenever you write your answers, like filling the blanks or question answers, those words are used in your answers. If you don't know the spelling of these words, how will you write your answer? Your answer will be wrong. If there is a spelling mistake, your answer can be wrong. So it is very important to learn those hard words very well, very thoroughly. Okay? I will show you these hard words again tomorrow. We will repeat again in the next class. And I am also going to ask you about those hard words again. It is very important, children. So do it well. Okay? So I am going to end my session here. In the next class, I am going to tell you who were early humans, what do they eat, how was their living, where do they stay, how they cooked food, what they used to eat, what they used to wear, where they used to stay. Everything I'm going to tell you. It is very interesting. Okay? Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. We will meet in the next class. Bye, children. Sai Ram. Thank you.